Traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another technical analysis, candlestick chart online trading video. Yes, because we have weekend, and as European trader, you do not have the OTC market available. So I'm doing this kind of recaps of those trades which I have already done, on the focus on the technical analysis, price action, and candlestick chart online trading part. Yes, so yes, and don't lose time. All my trades and everything which I'm explaining are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook. It's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you'll find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. Don't miss it. So you see, this is the ebook. All those concepts which I'm explaining here in this kind of technical analysis videos and candlestick chart online trading videos are based on those things. I do not show you all the same time the same things. Yes, it's important that you understand each and every concept. Yes, mainly how to read the indicators. Yes, what a Bollinger Band squeeze is. Yes, what a Bollinger Band breakout, what flat Bollinger Band means, what flat EMA means, what a DNA crossing is, and what ranging market is. Yes, that are those basic stuff, the basic knowledge what you should own. You should know those things inside out. Yes, and that's the reason why I'm trying to recover all the time the same stuff, that you get this into your brain. So okay, let's start before we're going to waste too much time. I have chosen this kind of market, and if I show you this kind of market, you should immediately understand what kind of market it is. Yes, it's a ranging market. Yes, you see how the EMAs are close together here. Yes, and how they are crossing. That means it's ranging market. That is not a nice market. This is a really bad market, because you see how many wicks there are, and you should be really careful if you are going to trade this. This is the range area, ranging trade range. Yes, and you see here how price behaves. Here the EMAs are really close together. They are getting short trends in between. Yes, you see how market is ranging here in between. Yes, and this is how market is behaving. Yes, and here in this kind of market you should really experience to trade in such kind of market, because here the rejections of the candles can be really tricky. So I will start this video, and as soon I enter into a trade I will stop this video to get a more deeper explanation as based on technical analysis and price action. So let's see what's happening here. I started this video. The new candle is starting to get in the next 10 seconds, and this candle, you see what this candle is doing. So, and yes, and I entered into a call immediately. Yes, you see here, and that is what happened often. So I pushed the button now. Yes, I pushed the button now. That was the entry point. Yes, because I understood that this high wave spinning top candle, yes, but more high wave candle, stopped exactly on this level here, above all other EMAs. That was a clear sign of a fake breakout here. Yes, this kind of area. You see here this one and this one, these two double tops. Yes, this double top of this area here showed me that this would be a strong support level, because price rejected back. You see this wick got close, this candle above this level. Yes, or exactly at this level. And because we have this kind of ranging market, you see here the flat Bollinger Band here also. We have here another area. Yes, you see this flat part, I have explained this almost often in the last videos where I have focused on the Bollinger Band. This flat areas of the Bollinger Band are support and resistance levels, yes, and you see why, because they are flat, yes, and that is a sign for a strong support and resistance level. Obviously it has to verify if they are valid or not, and you see here this wick here is showing that these are valid, yes, but anyway, this candle closed exactly on this level here. And because I saw this huge wick, which is bigger than this wick, and we have this kind of ranging market condition, I entered immediately into a call. The problem here was the lack of IQ options that me brought into this kind of bad position, a lot really high above this kind of area where I want to enter, but because we have this kind of strange ranging market with a lot of wicks, yes, and huge wicks and huge candles, this was not the problem, yes, because you see here also that price got almost often above this level, till this level here, yes, often. So that was a trading range which I had shown you before. So that was that bad entry point was not the problem, and you see price is going up higher than expected, yes, because of this trading range. And you see exactly on this level price starts to reject, yes, at the 1.1688, yes, and at this level where we got this extreme levels here. But you see also that this distance here between this and this one is longer than this area here, yes, and this is what I call always as price action on the left. Yes, we have here now on this key level, on this extreme level, price action on the left, yes, which is a nice sign that price will probably break upwards, yes. But before this, I understood from the rejection here of this running candle that price will do here a retracement or a reversal, one of both. But I think I was more expecting a retracement because of the price action on the left showed me already that price pushed above this level, yes, and that was the reason why I entered first into a put, because at this kind of major key level, extreme level, yes, that is the same also what often will happen at at the 161.8 Fibonacci level or the 261.8 Fibonacci level. Such things can be happening also often there, yes, that price gets there into a consolidation area in a retracement, and after this retracement price gonna break through this, and you see price got a strong momentum upwards, and that was then the decision to enter into a call. You see I pushed already, I was waiting, watch at this, so I'm putting the mouse about this higher button, but I didn't enter. I wait first that price got lower below the closing price of the previous or the opening price of the previous candle, yes, to get a margin of safety to get into a continuation trade. And this continuation trade was only done because we got here price action on the left, and price already showed that price would go up further, yes. And because of this momentum here, because in the last second price pushed the price up, yes, because first of all it looked like a reversal, yes, but after I saw the strong momentum upwards, I understood that price has here a lot of buying pressure, and that because of this I tried to go into a call because I was expecting a trend continuation. So at the end it was not such nice candle like I was expecting. You see, it was only a small candle, and if I would have entered exactly on the level of the closing price or opening price of the previous candle, this would be out of the money. And you see now price is going up further, yes, and it looks like it would break through this area now, yes. Or even not, but I would say yes, because this candle is a continuation pattern. So okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.